This video will examine the database Project Muse, which is very useful for humanities, and we will also take a look at how we use Google Scholar to find out how many times an article has been cited. Once again, we're starting at library.seu.edu and clicking on the Database tab. Once we're here, we're going to go over to the English tab, and in our recommended database, choose Project Muse. For this particular search, I'm going to do Shakespeare and King Lear. Project Muse has given me a list of articles, and these are all full text. You can see that you can download the PDF. That's excellent. But we need a way to narrow our focus and make sure that our subject is more precise for this project. One way we can do that is to tell it that we only want to look at scholarly articles. This will take out book reviews, other things that may not be useful to us. We can also narrow it by the research area. In this case, I'm going to choose theater and performance studies. And you can see that this has narrowed it down. These are still all full text. Now, if I want to start looking at how many times they've been cited to see which ones might be the most useful for my project, all I need to do is to copy and paste the title of the article. I'm going to copy and paste the title of the article in the address or search bar. When I do this, it tells me, here's the title of the article. It's in Muse, which is where we just were. Here's the author, the year, and it tells us that it's been cited by 9 other sources. So we're going to click and take a look at these sources. Notice that we are now flipped over to Google Scholar. We can narrow it by year, 2018, 17, so on. And we can also look at whether it has full text or not. If it says get full text and you are on campus, it will know that you are at Southeastern. In this case, it's actually sending us back to Project Muse to get the full text. Google Scholar can be pretty smart sometimes. One like this, we may click on it and we may or may not be able to get to the PDF. When we go back to our original search, we can also take a look at related articles. Now, Google is taking a guess about what related articles you might be interested in, but you can see that it is giving you a list of related articles and tells you where you can get the full text. If you have further questions, please contact the library.